So people, I'm just vlogging outside of my house. People, I'm just vlogging outside of my house. I'm gonna walk around my house. My first time vlogging, people, outside of my house. It is so spicy outside, people. The sun is shining right in my face. I'm just vlogging outside of my house. Yeah, people. I'm just vlogging outside my house. I'm gonna get that Gatorade. I'm just vlogging outside of my house, people. That's what I'm doing. Just vlogging outside of my house. Yeah, I'm vlogging outside on my house, people. My first time vlogging outside of my house. Woo! Yeah, I'm just vlogging outside of my house. Walking around. Not doing nothing. Just chilling. Showing y'all my beautiful house. Yeah. Yeah, people. My first time vlogging outside. Our first time vlogging outside, people. Uh-huh. I'm about to drink some Gatorade. I'm about to drink Gatorade. Oh, people. Woo! Woo! This rain feel good. Yeah, people. How was our Christmas? How was our New Year?
Mom, I thought you had you.
No. I walk around the house.
Why?
Because I want to. That's all.
Oh, the fast food now. Oh,
Woo! Yep. Just walk around the house, people. Vlogging. Exercising. Do y'all see why I weigh 115 pounds? That's because I'm an actor. I'm an active, you guys. I stay active. I stay active, you guys. That's why I weigh 115 pounds.
I don't have
Yeah, you guys. you guys. I'm just vlogging. My first time vlogging outside. My first time vlogging outside, people. Relaxing. Yeah, people. Just vlogging. Exercising. Showing y'all my daily routine. I don't sit in the house all day and eat pom-poms and drink pops. You know what I'm saying? I don't do that. I try to eat healthy. I try to drink healthy. You know what I'm saying? I try to do everything healthy. I try to live a healthy lifestyle. Then what's it on? What's it on?
Hi.
Let me see what's it on.
I is at my right now with my mom.
Yeah. Yeah, people. You guys see how big my house are? So people, so people, so people, listen to me. They see, bring a chair.
For who?
Me. They see. Bring a chair.
Okay.
That black chair
Huh.
in the living room.
Hold it. Hi too.
Hi. It's wet. How? Who mopping? Tell him you need a chair. Let me see.
Get it.
It's right, Lacey. Get a chair.
Hi.
Lacey. Lacey. Get that black thing from in my room. That crate. You know what I'm talking about? She's taking too long. I'm about to sit on the ground. We're gonna check the mail. The mailman didn't come today. People. Why it take you a long time? Thank you.
Mom, I hate Mom, but I think that this, my it, I decided to put in the field.
Who was?
But I could not put it on YouTube.
Let me sit in the crochet. Ooh, it feels so good.
Hey Mom. Hey Mom. Hey Mom, but it's him make a dun. But it's him a dun.
Yeah. So people.
Beat the kid.
Yeah.
Hey Mom. Because because I want to get down. That's right.
Why were you laying down?
That's right.
So people.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.
That's right.
So people. Again. I don't have pica. I eat lots of cornstarches. People are so stupid to claim that they have pica. And people are proud of being pica. You know what I'm saying? Who does that? I'm not claiming to have pica. Who came up with pica?
What do that mean? Peckle.
I think pica means that people eat crazy stuff.
Crazy. Yeah.
Like
yeah.
dirt, clay, chops, cornstarches.
Candy.
No. Not food, but clay, dirt, chops,
Cheese.
stuff like that.
Cheese.
Yeah, trees, paper top,
Cars.
tissues, papers like that.
Do you?
Yeah.
He do up. Ew.
So,
Guys, whoever eat pack up, but everything work out. Guys, do not talk to me ever again. Whoever eat pack up, but everything work hard. Pack up, yeah, guys, but whoever eat pack up, do not talk to me anymore. But you eat pack up, good.
so people, who came up with pica?
Yeah, that was pack up.
What's the person's name who came up with pica? You guys need to do your homework on pica. You guys need to do your researches
On
on
pica.
pica. Who came up with pica?
Yeah.
I don't have pica. I eat lots of cornstarches. I'm not claiming to be pica. And people, the Argo laundry cornstarch starch. Okay, the Argo laundry cornstarch. Do you guys know that's washing powder?
No. What on your arm?
Ashy. I need lotion.
Does it at home? What did that tell? My but it don't just that it is. My it did make it on your bed too.
Really?
My it did make it on your head. And then you got it take.
Oh, take it off.
No, hold it correct.
So people, again, Argo laundry cornstarch. Argo laundry starch is washing powder. Do you guys know y'all is eating washing powder? You can wash clothes with Argo laundry cornstarch. Do y'all know that? It's not like the regular cornstarch starches. The regular cornstarches, you make gravies out of it. Like food, you make gravies out of it. You know what I'm saying? Again, Argo laundry, do the other side. Yeah, you can see me. See,
Did it gonna
no? Do you guys know?
Because you had a big heavier dating.
Do you guys know Argo laundry cornstarch is washing powder? It's washing powder. It's not like the cornstarch, the regular or the other cornstarches. You make gravies out of it. You know what I'm saying? Again, you guys are eating washing powder. Argo laundry cornstarch. You wash clothes with it. A person, no, you record yourself.
Okay.
A person in their right mind won't eat washing powder. You know what I'm saying? A person in their right mind won't eat washing powder. That's what Argo laundry cornstarch is, washing powder. Why would you guys want to eat washing powder? Huh? Why would you guys want to eat that? Have you guys washed your clothes with Argo laundry cornstarch? I did. I sure did. I have bought a big box of Argo laundry cornstarch. I have washed my clothes with it. You know what I'm saying? Washing powder. I have washed my clothes with it. You know what I'm saying? So again, why would you guys want to eat washing powder? Do your research. Research is on Argo laundry cornstarch. Do your research. You know what I'm saying? Look it up.
My dear, I just came.
Let me see how many minutes I have. I gotta see how many minutes I have.
But auntie, I have detail. You got 30 minutes. You
Let's see.
got 30 one.
Okay. Again, people, stop eating washing powder. Stop eating Argo Laundry starch. Stop eating Argo Laundry cornstarch. I know what I'm talking about. I done my research on Argo Laundry cornstarch. And other cornstarches, you make gravies out of it. Cornstarches is full. It's not clay, dirt, or chalk. It's full. It's full, you guys.
Guys, whoever birthday today,
Let me see the time.
I'm going to say happy birthday. Happy birthday to
It's full, you guys.
Happy
Stop eating that stuff.
birthday to
Washing powder.
you. Happy birthday.
I know people gonna come after me. Before y'all come after me, I'm going to disable my comments.
How old are you?
I'm going to disable my
How old
comments.
are you?
Okay? I'm speaking
How
the
old
truth
are you?
about Argo Laundry
How old
cornstarch.
are you? We love you.
You guys are
we
ignorant.
Do. We love you. We do. We love you. We do.
Eating washing powder.
We love you. We
You guys don't have
do.
no knowledge of eating Argo Laundry starch.
You know, guys.
You guys don't
in
have
that
no
book,
laundry
guys, it is
knowledge
late, I think.
about eating
Just-
Argo
Oh, guys.
Laundry cornstarch. You guys are
See you guys
ignorant,
in that pool all day.
crazy.